everyone, this is a video on how to find your meta-analysis and systematic review topic. So let's just dive right in. Next best question you can ask is, what am I looking for, right? You're looking for randomized controlled trials. And why randomized controlled trials? Because randomized controlled trials are considered the gold standard in the clinical research, as they are like essential because they provide high quality evidence, and these are what we use in our metas. So, and what type of randomized controlled trials? Basically, you're looking for a drug comparison. You want a trial that has a drug A versus drug B. And the third thing you will be looking at, let's say you found and maybe 5 RCTs that have the drug comparison A versus B that you're looking for. Now the best thing you can do is look if there is a previously published meta on this topic, because if there is, then the next thing you want to do is check if it was recently released. Then you will have to discard it. But if a previous meta was released, let's say 2 years ago or maybe 1 year ago, then that's a good thing, because the next thing you're gonna look for is the new RCTs. Now let's say there are 5. The one that you have found, you have 8 RCTs on that topic, and the 5 RCTs were included in the previous meta, but the 3 are not included in the previous meta. So what you can do is you can update the previous meta by using the 3 new RCTs and 5 old RCTs. So now your meta will have 8 RCTs, right? So that's what you're looking for. In a nutshell, you're looking for RCTs, you're looking for drug comparison, and you want to see how many previous metas are already published, and once they are published, do you have new RCTs now? So now I will go to my screen and I will show you how I look for these things. Now I will go to Google and type in FDA approved drugs 2022. I'll explain later why I picked 2022. And now I will just scan through these drugs and see which one catches my attention. This one is used for multiple sclerosis, so that's good. I'll just copy that and paste it into PubMed. So I'm looking for, first thing is RCTs. I see only 3 results, so this is not good. So I'll go back and I will just pick another drug. So I'll just paste this drug and see the results. Okay, so we have 2 results. That's not gonna work either. So I'll just keep scanning and pick something else. Let's see, type 1 diabetes. Okay, let's see. This one again has 4 results. We have this one for hepatocellular carcinoma. This better be good. Okay, so we have 617 results. That's good so far. Now I want to see again the RCTs. So we have 55 results for RCTs. That's really good. Now the next thing I want to see is the previous metas. Let's see how many previous metas are released on this topic. So we have 66 results for that, but as you can see, I don't see the drug in the title, so that means that I have to be more specific about this topic. So I will go to PubMed. As you can all see, that's the 7th number that has the drug name in the title, so that means that my search is not specific. Now I will be more specific and I will go to PubMed, type the drug, capital N, and the treatment that is it being used for, which is hepatocellular carcinoma. Okay, so because I was more specific, about my search study. Now I have like 3 results, and this one was released in 2022 and 2023. Now I need to find new RCTs to update the previous one, right? So we have 41 results, meaning that we have 41 RCTs here. Now what I will do is I will go to the previous published meta and I will see which RCTs are included, and then I will look for new RCTs. I only have the raw topic now. The next thing I will do is, number 1, I will find synonyms or keywords of the disease and the drug, and then come up with a search strategy using Boolean operators on PubMed. Number 2, I will search at least 2 to 3 libraries to find the published RCTs and metas, just to make sure that I'm not missing on anything. And then I will compose my PICO by reading the titles and abstracts of the included RCTs. And lastly, I will ask a friend to double check everything just to be sure that I haven't missed anything. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I will see you in the next video. Bye.